Today we are talking about more than just a tournament. We are talking about a subject that unites the world. A subject that makes the hearts of billions beat in perfect synchronization. A subject that turns strangers into friends. We are talking about the FIFA World Cup 2026. Football is not just a sport. It is a universal language. It is a bridge between cultures and a dream that speaks to every soul on this planet. What makes 2026 so special? Imagine this. The 23rd edition of the World Cup isn't just happening in one country. It is taking over an entire continent. From June 11th to July 19th, 2026, the world will be hosted by a powerhouse trio, the United States, Canada, and Mexico. This is history in the making. It is the first time a World Cup spans 3 nations, creating a message of unity and peace for the whole world to see. The format: bigger, better, stronger.
Get ready for a format revolution.
For the first time, we are moving from 32 teams to 48 nations, and groups of 4 teams. Under 4 matches of pure drama and skill. That is 40 more matches than the 2022 World Cup. More teams mean more dreams. This World Cup gives a chance to nations that have waited a lifetime to step onto the global stage. It's magnificent. The legendary venues, 16 cities. One Dream A record-breaking 104 matches will be played across 16 iconic host cities. In the USA, Atlanta, Boston, Dallas, Houston, Kansas City, Los Angeles, Miami, New York, New Jersey, Philadelphia, San Francisco, and Seattle. In Mexico, the vibrant Mexico City, Guadalajara, and Monterrey. In Canada, the beautiful Toronto and Vancouver. Every city is a world of its own, ready to welcome the world with joy and modern stadiums that will become temples of emotion. The historic kickoff and the grand finale, the beginning. On June 11th, the legendary Estadio Azteca in Mexico City will host the opening match, Mexico versus South Africa. This stadium is sacred ground, the first ever to host 3 different World Cups, 1970, 1986, and now 2026. The final battle. On July 19, 2026, the eyes of the world will turn to the MetLife Stadium in New York or New Jersey. With over 82,500 fans screaming in the stands and a historic halftime show, this will be the greatest sporting spectacle ever seen. The contenders, who will rule the world? The world's best are coming. Europe brings giants like France, Germany, and Italy. Africa is stronger than ever with Morocco, Senegal, and Algeria ready to roar. Newcomers like Jordan and Uzbekistan will play their first ever World Cup, proving that dreams really do come true. A final thought. Why we love the game, the World Cup, is special because for 1 month there are no borders. Families gather around televisions, neighbors celebrate together, and the world stops to watch 11 players run toward a common goal. It teaches us the most beautiful lesson of all. Together, we are stronger. Interactive challenge. Answer in English. I want to hear from you in the comments. Which team has your heart for 2026? Who is your favorite person to watch the matches with? Your prediction, who will be the world champion? Keep practicing, keep dreaming. You've done an excellent job today practicing your English and learning about the world's biggest event. Remember, June 11th, July 19th, 2026, USA, Canada, and Mexico, 48 teams, 104 matches. I am Kareem, and I am incredibly proud of your efforts. Enjoy every goal, savor every moment, and keep believing in yourself. See you at the kickoff.